Right, Lexical, here is how to put up your students' homework. So here you can see your main page on your Moodle course for Suyobi Ichigen. And first thing you need to make sure is that you've got the editing turned on. So I'm just going to turn that on now. Then go down to the lesson day that you want to input the homework for. So we're going down to 5th of May. And this will be homework number 5. So over here we need to first of all just input the homework folder using the forum function. So here on the right hand side, click on the drop down menu, go down to forum. It's going to bring up this screen. You need the forum name, which is just going to be the homework number, in this case homework number 5. And then you need a description. So I'm going to copy from my course. So I'm just going to go, as you can see, I've gone to the top of the page here. I'm going to a different tab and I'm just clicking on my class. This is my also Suyobi Ichigen. And I'm going to go down to this homework here. So I've put a little explanation section in here in the actual folder. So I'm just going to copy. I'm going to go back to your page and put it in the description section. Then I just need to make some settings. So for the forum type, I'm going to take it to Q&A forum. That means that students can't see anybody else's posting until they've actually posted their own answers. Once they've posted their own answer, they've got a 30-minute window in which they can edit and change their answers, but after that they can't change anything. Then I'm going down to the grade section where I'm going to categorize it. So this would be homework for first semester, then down to ratings. So we actually need to go down to the sum of ratings. In some places it's called natural. And the maximum grade in this case is going to be 3 because we are going to put in 3 episodes. And lastly, restrict ratings to items with dates in this range. So I'm going to click on that so that I can set the date range. And the date range is going to be until the 28th of May. So it just automatically sets from the time that you're creating the homework page. I'm going to go to the 28th of May here, and you set it at 11:30 p.m., which is 2330 minutes. Okay, then I'm just going to go down to the save and display block because we now want to actually input the homework. So what you've got here is a folder set up, and now we're going to input the individual files. So where it says add a new question, I'm just going to click on add a new question. In the subject, I'm just going to put the episode number, which will be number 9. And again, in the message section, which is where we're going to put our actual questions, I'm just going back up here to my page where I've got episode number 9, and I'm just going to copy the questions. So hopefully I will be able to get a single document out to you which will have all the different episode questions on it, but for the moment I'm just copying and pasting mine. So I'm coming back to your page here. You can see this is episode number 9. I'm in the message section. I post the questions, and then I just need to go down the page and post to forum. So you can see that it appears here. Then I need the next episode, so add a question again. I need to put the episode name in, which is going to be number 10, and the questions. So again, I'm going back to my page just to So you can see on this page that the different files within the folder will show up at the top of the page here, so you can just move across to episode number 10 or whatever number, and I'm just going to copy the actual question from here, copying, going back to your page and pasting, going down to the bottom, posting it to the forum, and then we just need the last episode, which is going to be 11. Again, I'm going to put the little icon marker here so that it's ready and waiting to go into the correct place, which is the message section. Going back to the top of the page, and I actually have to go to a different homework number for episode number 11, so the fastest way for me to go is over here to activities. I'm going to forums. I'm going to go down to homework number 4. Nope. Homework number 5, where you can see that I've got 11, 12 and 13. So here's episode 11. Again, just doing a quick copy. And back to your page. And the little icon marker is already in place, so I don't even have to click on it. I just automatically paste by using Command V. And down to the bottom of the page, post to forum. Okay, so you can see now that you've got the description, which is basically a folder, and it's holding 3 different files. Each file is one set of homework questions. And I'm going to go back to the top of the page, to the main page, and just to check what my students are going to see, I'm going over here to the left hand side to administration, down to switch role, onto student, and now you can see exactly what your students see. So if I go down to homework number 5 and click on it, you can see that this is exactly what they're going to see when they look at that page. Okay, go to it, champ.